So welcome back, people. So the Jamaica kickstart their U17 qualifiers in fine style, defeating St. Lucia 3-1. Brilliant bit of football from the youngsters, even though I thought it would have been a little bit clear that we're the better team. I would say that not necessarily the case, but that this is football. Sometimes this is how the game panned out. Anyways, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for tuning in. We're gonna first of all, we're gonna run through the squad. Let's have a look at the squad. What are the players in the squad, people? This is something I wanted to do. I didn't get the opportunity to do it. So let's run through the names. It is basically a 21 man squad. Let's go through it. We have goalkeeper. We have Janai Stedman. We have Alexander White, Kieran Smith, Kai McLean, Ziondine McLean, Raekwon Campbell, Cadriano Marsh, Demarley Williams, Orel Miller, Giovanni Taylor, Seymour Reed, Jaquan Brown, Justin Murray, Earl Dennis, Jamari Nolan, Dario White, Jabbar Johnson, Axel Gramod, Owen Jump, Aiden McFarlane, and Damar Blair. So that's technically the entirety of the squad of players. Now let's get into the starting lineup on the particular day. The starting lineup is we have Justin Murray in goal. We have Kieran Smith, Owen Jump, Jabbar Johnson, Seymour Reed leading the line, Cadriano Marsh, Axel Gramon. We have Raekwon Dennis, Kai McLean, Demarley Williams, and Giovanni Taylor. Kind of strange setup because that's actually a lot of attackers. It's more attackers, so maybe coaching what going for the kill. But nonetheless, game started. Personally I thought it was a really good game. All it panned out. I thought we had a lot of dominance in the first half. We control the ball, we control the tempo of the play. Thought that we should have scored more goals as well. In the first half. First half ended 1-0. And personally, as I said, I thought we would have scored more goals. It's a goal from Seymour Reed. Error from the goalkeeper. Ball come across the pitch. Like a cross. Goalkeeper didn't handle the ball. Ball fall right in front of the path of Seymour Reed. And knowing Seymour Reed, he did nothing more than what he knows how to do, which is put the ball in the back of the net, which put the Jamaica team 1 goal up. Team run away. Big celebration. Everything looking good, looking smart. We created a few more chances after that, but we just weren't able to find the back of the net. St. Lucia was sitting back quite a lot. I do believe that their strategic approach was to sit back in a deep block and probably hit us on the counter. They tried it a few times. At one moment, the goalkeeper had to rush out, and I thought we were a little bit lucky there. Goalkeeper would have got a yellow card. I thought we were a bit lucky in that aspect. I'm really glad that was the case. But overall, good first half, steady first half. Players know what they're doing. They look compact. They look technically good. They dominate the ball when they had the chance. Firing shot from left, right, and center. We look really good. We look like a team who a lot of preparation was put in place for, as we all know. But we look like that. It's not the case in which that was not the case. We look like that. A lot of preparation has been put into this team, and we look like that. Overall, good first half. Even though we should have been up like 2 or 3 goals more. But we went in. Coach had it stuck. I do believe though that the first 6 minutes, maybe the first 10 minutes or so, or 15 minutes, I thought that we stepped up the tempo. That's where we saw the other goals. Next goal was from Dario? Yeah, man. I think the next goal was from substitute who came on. Yeah, Dario White came on. A brilliant assist from Seymour again. Played the ball in the part of Dario quite nicely. Dario take it in his stride, slot it home. Very nice. And good finish from Dario. That moment when 2-0 up. Nolan, who also came on at the break, really put in a screamer. He struck that ball so well. And we know Jamari Nolan quite an interesting player actually. Really, really talented player. And he really, really put us in a good position, 3 goals. And I do believe when we scored that third goal, I'm not sure if it's that we kind of take our foot off the gas. I thought that the St. Lucian team kind of stepped up their gameplay and they actually put us under some pressure, created a few chances as well. But they're not that clinical in the final third, so that kind of make it a little bit easier for us. But at the end, I do believe that it was overall a good performance. They did get the consolation like in the 73rd minute or so. Error there, big error from from the defender. I personally thought that he should have done a lot better in that case. That's not an error that we want to commit, or should I say, an error that we want to see happen again. A little bit of complacency creeping. You can see that complacency creeping in that moment. Defender thought that he had the ball in control. Had the defender behind him. Ball was in front of him. Striker just go beyond him and just put the ball over the top of the goalkeeper. So we should do a lot better in that position. 100%. Overall, a game ended 3-1 in favor of the young Reggae Boys, and I think that was quite good. That was really, really good to see. Now, let's have a look. Next match we're going to play is versus Cayman Islands, in which I think we should most definitely win this one. This should not cause us much problems, but you don't know this is football. Anything can happen in this one. Cayman Islands, let me see what their games that they're coming from. They were thumped by El Salvador 8 goals to 0. They know the one they go already. That game will be played 5 p.m. This evening actually. Interesting to see that one. 8-0. Let's see if we can tap 8-0. Let's see if we can tap 8-0. As I said, I'm not underestimating any opponent, but sometimes you have to have high expectation of your team. As it stand, let me just check. Let me just have a check on the group to see what the groups look like at this present moment. Let's have a look. We're in Group H. El Salvador leading the group with that 8-0 thrashing. Let's see how this one goes. I think that if we should most definitely spank Cayman Islands, I probably have 10, 12, probably dozen. That will look good. For one, that will look good, and maybe hopefully St. Lucia can put up a fight against El Salvador. Not expecting that though, but I do expect that on the final day, when we face El Salvador, that should be a banger. That most definitely should be a banger. But for now, we have Cayman Islands in front of us. Let's see how we can take them on, and let's see what can happen from that one. For me, Cayman Islands, I'm looking like I'm saying 10-0. I'm saying 10-0. That could be a lot. That could be too much. That could be just being stupid, or but I'm saying 10-0. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Massive, massive respect. This is MG Sports TV, and we are out. God bless. Boom. I mean, we're not close. No, we don't have. Anyways, big up, people outside.